So in this video we're going to look at how we can rationalize our denominator, but we're going to take it up a step. So we're going to have examples such as 3 plus root 5. Now we're going to divide all that by 1 minus root 5. Now I'm going to do the same as I did last time. I'm going to times it by the number 1. But what I'm going to choose on the bottom here is 1 plus root 5, and I'll show you why in a minute. Now that's important, but I must also times it by 1 plus root 5 on the top. Now let's just concentrate on the bottom first of all, and we're going to make this equal to, let's put a straight line in here. Now we're going to have 1 times 1, of course. We're also going to have, what happens when I do this one, root 5 times root 5, but one's a plus and one's a minus, so we're going to have negative 5. Now that's the numbers without the surds, or without the rational numbers. Now I'm going to do 1 times root 5, and that gives me 1 root 5. And I do the fourth one, which is negative root 5. And because of my choice here of 1 plus root 5, these two root 5s in here in this bracket are going to cancel out. Okay, now let's look at the top. Now I don't mind if I have some surds or radicals on the top, so I'm going to do this as 3, that's 3 times 1, plus 3 root 5s, plus 1 root 5, and then I've got root 5 times root 5 there, which is 5. So let's just tidy all of this up. I've got 3 and 5 on the top, which is 8, and I've got 3 root 5s and 1 more root 5, which is 4 root 5s, and on the bottom I've got minus 4. Now what I could do is take out the factor of 4 on the top, so it becomes 4 brackets 2 plus root 5. So I'm really combining some of the things from the last topic here, and divide this by minus 4, so the two 4s will cancel out, and this gives me negative 2 plus root 5, and of course I could rewrite that as negative 2 negative root 5. So there's a lot of playing around with algebra and the surds there. The most important thing is what I chose here at the beginning, the first one there. Let's do another one. Let's do one that involves 4, and I'm going to divide all of that by root 3 minus root 2. Now I'm going to multiply this by root 3. And you see what I did here is I had this plus here. I'm going to put this root 3 plus root 2. If you want to pause the video and have a look at it, how you're going to do this, you can do this yourself and check that you get the right answer. And of course I've got root 3, root 2 on the top. So on the bottom I'm going to have 3. I'm going to have this, which is root 6, but then I'm going to take away root 6, so they kind of knock each other out. And then I've got minus 2 times positive root 2, so this gives me minus 2. Well, that's nice, that gives me 1. And then on the top I've got 4 root 3s and 4 root 2s. So as the denominator is 1, I can, if you like, I could even just refactorize that as root 3, 4 root 3, root 2, and there's my final answer. And they're all going to be in this same idea, so just have a look at what I chose there as the 1 plus root 5, 3 plus root 2. It's got something to do with this, and you can start working out what you need to multiply, or how you need to write the number 1 to rationalize these denominators.